Shocking case studies. ShoutMeLoud.com. ShoutMeLoud.com is a popular online marketing website that is mostly dedicated to blogging and the internet lifestyle. Objective: Harsh Agrawal, one of the site's top contributors, set out to create a series of niche sites that he could monetize quickly without much time or cash investment. Strategy: Harsh started out with a micro-niche blog dedicated to jailbreaking iOS devices, which is a popular and highly profitable niche among US and UK-based audiences. He then simply followed a content strategy where he created articles about topics that would be in demand for a long time, gave his site a Wikipedia-like structure, and targeted keywords that were driving large amounts of traffic. Results? Harsh made $2,000 out of his first micro-niche blog in a single year with AdSense, and is currently making close to $200 a month. CalorieSecrets.net. Calorie Secrets is a nutrition and healthy living blog that has been running since 2012. Objective: Alex Chris, the blog's creator, needed an alternative way to monetize his blog that didn't involve selling his own products or doing affiliate marketing. Strategy: Alex started by populating his site with relevant content. Then he optimized it for mobile, enabled page-level ads, and kept testing new AdSense features. Results? Calorie Secrets has made Alex $100K in ad revenue in only 5 years. Trendlear.com. Trendlear.com is a lifestyle and fashion blog that is hit with millions of visits a month. Objective: The website owners realized that the site's AdSense earnings had hit a wall, and they needed to fix it. Strategy: They started testing different ad layouts. Mainly, they tested placing 2 ad units against 3 ad units on a page, as well as sidebar ad layouts against in-feed ad layouts. Results? Using 2 ad units increased the site's click-through rates by 28%, and sidebar layouts increased revenue per mile by 68%. SecurityGuardTrainingHQ.com. SecurityGuardTrainingHQ.com is a niche website dedicated to helping people learn about what it takes to become a security guard. Objective: Pat Flynn of SmartPassiveIncome.com fame wanted to document the creation of an online business from scratch. Strategy: Pat made use of long-tail keywords to attract highly targeted traffic from Google. Results? The strategy paid off, because Pat jumped from $50 in earnings to over $400 in earnings, a 275% increase in AdSense revenue in a single month. Russell Lobo. Russell, best known as the Niche Site Guy, is an online marketer that started creating niche sites back in 2015, and who is now earning full-time income from them, and he documents it all at russlobo.com. Objective: Russell wanted to create a niche website with quadruple the amount of content that his previous site had, to see how it impacted performance and AdSense earnings. Strategy: Russell created 1,000 short-form blog posts to give his site evergreen value. Then he optimized the content with buyer interest keywords. Results? Russell's site quickly reached the first page of results for its target keywords, which started earning him cost per clicks that averaged between $2 to $6. Ampsense. Ampsense is a WordPress plugin that allows publishers using the WordPress platform to split test their ad units to help them find the most profitable configurations. Objective: The people behind the plugin wanted to find the ideal number of AdSense ads on a page on a client's WordPress site. Strategy: They tried 3 different configurations with 2 different ad units. These ad units were 1 link unit on top and 1 large ad unit below. They tested 1 page with 1 combination, 1 page with the other, and 1 page with both. Results? The Ampsense people were able to increase the site's AdSense earnings by 28% by combining both types of ads on every page of the site. ManageYourLifeNow.com. ManageYourLifeNow.com is a website that has been providing users with life hacks and healthy living tips since 2008. Objective: The people behind the website wanted to increase their AdSense earnings, which had been stalling. Strategy. The staff realized that they were lagging behind most modern sites because their site wasn't responsive, so they simply made it multi-screen optimized. Results? Ever since the site started receiving visits from mobile and tablets, its AdSense revenue increased by a cool 20%. NichePursuitscom's case study. NichePursuits.com is an online business-centric website owned by Spencer Hawes, who has dedicated it to discussing niche websites, software, and e-commerce. Objective. Spencer bought a website dedicated to the electronics niche, which was getting 200 visits per day on average, and he wanted to make it more profitable. Strategy. Spencer worked on increasing the site's ranking through high-quality links and by adding more targeted content to it. Results? These optimizations helped Spencer to increase traffic to the site by 20%, which helped him achieve monthly earnings close to $400, which is good for a relaunched website. SimplyPsychology.org. SimplyPsychology.org is a popular educational website dedicated to all things psychology. Objective. The website needed to increase their online revenue to further invest in research by optimizing its digital strategy. Strategy. The website's staff got help from an AdSense certified partner, which optimized the website's layout. Results? These layout optimizations raised time spent by visitors on the site by 84%, which in turn increased AdSense revenue by 400%. NicheUp.com's case study. NicheUp.com is a website in the online business niche where Kent Chow shows and inspires others to make extra income online. Objective. Kent's objective was to build a steady daily income from online sources. Strategy. Kent decided to use AdSense to monetize several online properties. He ended up building micro-niche websites where he put commissioned content and where he targeted 2 product keywords, 4 information keywords, and 2 authority keywords. Results? He is currently making over $100 per month from one authority site and growing.